This video we will discuss the 2-day paper of PPSC Lecturer Biology, so keep watching this video till end for better preparation. Question number 1. Which one of the following viruses has caused thousands of death globally as an emergent virus? तो ये कोरोना वायरस है जो कि सार्स ग्रुप ऑफ वायरसेस से ताल्लुक रखता है। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी। Question number 2. Which one of the following toxic metal is extensively present in newspaper? तो न्यूज़पेपर के अंदर जो मेटल होती है वो है कैडमियम। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी। Question number 3. Among the following, which one is diploblastic organism? Hydra is a diploblastic organism. So correct answer is option A. Question number 4. New allele can be introduced into population gene pool by mutation as well as gene flow. So correct answer is option D. Question number 5. The number of alveoli in human lungs is estimated to be around 500 million. So correct answer is option B. Question number 6. NADP is a act as a coenzyme. It can activate the enzyme. Similarly, it is ion carrier and hydrogen acceptor. So correct answer is option D. All of these. Question number 7. Smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, and glands are regulated through autonomic nervous system. So correct answer is option D. Question number 8. Karan's anatomy is a characteristic feature of C4 plants. So correct answer is option A. Question number 9. At level above 100 decibel, sound turn into harmful noise pollution. So correct answer is option C. Question number 10. Choose the correct article. Wait for me by the school gate at 4 o'clock. So correct answer is option C. Question number 11. Which gland is pea-sized? So correct answer is option B. Pituitary gland is a pea-sized gland. Question number 12. Terrestrial biodiversity is generally found to be greater near equator. So correct answer is option C. Question number 13. Identify the pollutant responsible for curling of leaves is sulfur dioxide. So correct answer is option D. Question number 14. The total age of A and B is 12 years more than the total age of B and C. How many years is C younger than A? इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन ए 12 ईयर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. Savanna or grassland with scattered trees. So correct answer is option C. Question number 16. Polymorphism is a characteristic of phylum Cnidaria. So correct answer is option A. Question number 16. A species that can inhabit different geographical areas is known as allopathic species. So correct answer is option B. Question number 18. The chief atmospheric layer present near the surface of Earth is troposphere. So correct answer is option C. Question number 19. How many base pairs are there in one helical turn of Watson and Crick double helix? तो इसकी जो टर्न है वो है 10.4. So correct answer is option D. Question number 20. Basic democracy system came in Pakistan in 1959. So correct answer is option D. Question number 21. The average of 4 consecutive odd number is 24. Find the largest number. तो जो largest number होगा वो होगा 27. So correct answer is option B. Question number 22. Out of the following which is not a stopped codon? तो GUG जो है ये stopped codon नहीं है. So correct answer is option C. Question number 23. The term pleiotropy is explained in single gene affect multiple phenotypes. So correct answer is option B. Question number 24. Birds vertebrae are heterocoelous. So correct answer is option B. Question number 25. Where are histamine secreting cells are found? Histamine secreting cells are found in nearby connective tissues. So correct answer is option B. Question number 26. During meiosis, when does synapses occur? Synapses occur in prophase 1. So correct answer is option A. Question number 27. Glottis opens on the floor of pharyngeal cavity. So correct answer is option A. Question number 28. Which of the following is produced by seaweeds? Seaweeds are brown algae and they produce alginic acid. So correct answer is option B. Question number 29. In which country does the desert city Timbuktu lie? Timbuktu lie in Mali. So correct answer is option C. Question number 30. Which of the following is a rich source of B vitamin? So correct answer is yeast extract is a rich source of vitamin B. Question number 31. World Environment Day is 5 June. So correct answer is option B. Question number 32. The activity of succinate dehydrogenase is inhibited by malonate. So correct answer is option B. Question number 33. The splitting of atom is also called as fission. So correct answer is option D. Question number 34. Female sex organ of bryophyte is called archegonium. So correct answer is option A. Question number 35. Which of the following is example of gram-negative bacteria? Escherichia coli is example of gram-negative bacteria. So correct answer is option B. Question number 36. Rubisco content of chloroplast is round about 15 or 16%. So correct answer is option D. Question number 37. Find a mismatch pair. Template is a single stranded DNA. So correct answer is option B. ये ऑप्शन जो है वो ठीक नहीं है क्योंकि टेम्पलेट जो है वो सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए होती है ना कि डबल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए. Question number 38. Which of the following leads to the formation of canal system in sponges? Inner wall folding leads to the formation of canal system. So correct answer is option A. Question number 39. BIOS is stored in flash memory chips. So correct answer is option C. Question number 40. Interferon is produced by lymphocyte, lymphoblast as well as fibroblast. So correct answer is option D. Question number 41. Name the cell lines of human embryonic lung is MRC5. So correct answer is option D. Question number 42. Who met the Khatamun Nabiyyin Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam at the first heaven during Miraj? Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. So correct answer is option D. Question number 43. NADPH2 is produced by photosystem 2. So correct answer is option C. Question number 44. The enlarged ripened ovary is called fruit. So correct answer is option C. Question number 45. Of the following, which one is not a search engine? Linux is not a search engine. So correct answer is option D. Question number 48. Deposition of cDNA into inert structure is known as DNA microarrays. So correct answer is option C. Question number 47. Name the camel which the Holy Prophet was riding on the migration of Medina. Its name is Kaswa. Question number 48. Smog is composed of nitrogen oxide. So correct answer is option B. Question number 49. The least porous soil among the following is clay soil is the least porous. So correct answer is option B. Question number 60. आपको नजर नहीं आ रहा लेकिन यहाँ लिखा हुआ है Staphylococcus aureus was isolated by Sir Alexander Ogston. So correct answer is option D. Question number 51. Which of the following is an enzyme that form covalent bond between the restriction fragments is DNA ligase? So correct answer is option D. Question number 52. Mendel was Austrian monk. So correct answer is option A. Question number 53. What is the unit of genetic map is centimorgan? So correct answer is option D. Question number 54. The trisomy of chromosome 13 leads to Patau syndrome. So correct answer is option A. Question number 55. human immunodeficiency virus affects helper T lymphocytes? So correct answer is option C. Question number 55. Which of the following is the sensitive layer of eye, that is retina? So correct answer is option A. Question number 57. Dengue virus belongs to class Flaviviridae. So correct answer is option A. Question number 58. Identify the feeding mode of extinct conodonts. Extinct conodonts were filter feeders. So correct answer is option D. Question number 59. How many pair of cranial nerves are present in fish brain? So correct answer is option C, 10 pair. Question number 60. Activity of one gene is suppressed by the activity of non-allelic gene. This interaction is known as epistasis. So correct answer is option C. Question number 61. The site for the active synthesis of ribosomal RNA is nucleolus. So correct answer is option C. Question number 62. Primary carboxylation in C3 plants is carried out by RUBP carboxylase oxygenase. So correct answer is option D. Question number 63. Which of the following secretes glucagon hormone? So correct answer is option D. Pancreas secretes glucagon hormone. Question number 64. Crossing of F1 offspring with any of the parent is known as backcross. So correct answer is option D. Question number 65. The larvae of lobster is Nauplius larva. So correct answer is option D. Question number 66. The phynetic classification of organism is based on observable character of existing organism. So correct answer is option D. Question number 67. The headquarters of Shanghai Cooperation Organization is in Beijing. So correct answer is option A. Question number 68. The sister chromatids move towards opposite poles in anaphase. So correct answer is option B. Question number 69. Water movement from cell to cell through plasmodesmata is known as symplastic movement or symplast pathway. So correct answer is option D. Question number 70. Every statement must have a subject and predicate. So correct answer is option C. Question number 71. In gram staining technique, iodine is used as a fixative. So correct answer is option A. Question number 72. Which of the following is the narrowest strait of the world? Strait of Tartar is known as the narrowest strait of world. Question number 73. Certain genetic defects such as alkaptonuria and albinism is described as recessive inheritance. So correct answer is option B. Question number 74. Which form of DNA is described by Watson and Crick model? BDNA उन्होंने describe किया था. So correct answer is option A. Question number 75. The non-protein part of enzyme is apoenzyme. So correct answer is option C. Question number 76. Western blotting technique is used to determine the protein sequences. So correct answer is option C. Question number 77. आइडेंटिफाई द इनपुट सीक्वेंस फॉर्मेट इन ब्लास्ट. तो ब्लास्ट के अंदर जो इनपुट सीक्वेंस होती है वो जीन बैंक की सूरत में भी हो सकती है और फास्टा में भी. चूँकि दोनों हैं तो इसमें से जो बेस्ट ऑप्शन है वो है ऑप्शन सी, फास्टा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 78. द फ्लैग ऑफ विच कंट्री इज आल्सो नोन एज यूनियन जैक. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. फ्लैग ऑफ यूके इज नोन एज यूनियन जैक. Question number 79. Male breast cancer is strongly linked with mutation in BRCA2 gene. It is also linked with BRCA1, but mutation rate in BRCA2 is 6%, while it is 1% in BRCA1. So correct answer must be option B. Question number 80. When white light is passed through a prism, it's split into 7 colors. So correct answer is option C. Question number 81. Which group does not contain polyp? तो कल्केरिया जो है वो एक स्पंजेस से ताल्लुक़ रखता है, इसमें जो है वो पॉलिप नहीं होती. So correct answer must be C. Question number 82. Identify which is not a thermostable polymerase. DNA polymerase 3 is not a thermostable polymerase. Question number 83. अपार्ट फ्राम हेयरिंग व्हाट अदर मेजर फंक्शन इज परफॉर्म्ड बाय एयर। तो हेयरिंग के अलावा एयर जो काम करते हैं वो है body balance. So correct answer is option C. Question number 84. An abrupt change from anaerobic to aerobic process gives rise to Pasteur effect. So correct answer is option C. Question number 85. Tropical rainforests are found in areas where average rainfall is very high, in between 200 to 400. So correct answer is option A. Question number 86. Phylogenetic relationship can be represented by dendrogram. So correct answer is option A. Question number 87. During Krebs cycle, direct ATP per glucose molecule production is 2 ATP. So correct answer is option A. Question number 86. 87. The world's tallest man-made waterfall is Jurong waterfall. So correct answer is option D. Question number 89. Basic taxonomic unit is species. So correct answer is option D. Question number 90. How much of the globulin is present in human serum? Human serum contains 2.6 to 3.5 gram per deciliter globulin. Question number 91. Pakistan largest export partner is USA. So correct answer is option B. Question number 92. In the evolution of modern man, Homo sapien from his ancestor, identify the most significant trend. तो इम्पॉर्टेंट जो ट्रेंड है वो है इंक्रीज्ड इन क्रेनियल कैपेसिटी. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 93. व्हेन इंडिविजुअल सोमैटिक सेल्स कंटेन 3 सेक्स क्रोमोसोम्स as XXX, so it is known as super female. Question number 94. Totipotency has shown by meristematic tissue or meristem. So correct answer is option B. Question number 95. Silk thread is obtained from silk moth during pupal stage. So correct answer is option A. Question number 96. Who received the Nobel Prize for Literature in 2016? So correct answer is option C. Bob Dylan received the Nobel Prize in Literature in 2016. Question number 97. The number of cotyledons in Siamese, Cycas and Pinus are alternatively 1 in Siamese, 2 in Cycas and many in Pinus. So correct answer is option B. Question number 98. Which of the following is the fast reaction in photorespiration? So correct answer is option B. Oxygenation is the fast reaction of photorespiration. Question number 99. जाना जाना किसका मजमूआ कलाम है? तो ये है अहमद फराज का. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 100. बाई हुक और बाई क्रोक के दुरुस्त मतलब का इंतखाब कीजिए. तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन सी. जायज़ या नाजायज़ तरीके से कोई भी काम